Hello friends, cover letter is one of the key aspects in job application process. Especially many countries, cover letter are given more important than resume, because employer or recruiter thinks that cover letter reflects the true personality of any job applicant. And it is true, many people write the cover letter by its on by heart, right? So it reflects the overall personality. uh, so therefore we must be very focused or must be very attentive while writing the cover letters. So cover letter, essentially according to me, it should include the current role or title along with your responsibility that you have been carrying in the current roles, right? Of course that responsibility should be matched to the roles that you are going to apply. Not 100%, but whatever percentage that you have, so that responsibility you should mention briefly. And of course along with the current role, you can also mention some of the previous two roles that you have already been carried out, and which is also aligning with the new roles that you are going to apply, right? This is number one. Along with this role and responsibility, you should also probably include the tools and technology that you are using in your current organizations, right? Or the process, because based on the tools and technology, employer will be also comfortable if the same tools that required in the new roles is you have or not, right? If you can closely mention briefly about that kind of roles and responsibility, that will also be the added advantage. And third one is academic qualifications. If you have an academic qualifications which is required as per the new job application process, probably you should mention about that academic qualification as well. And then more importantly, you should also write additional points which you think that is suitable for the particular role that you are applying, and that roles you should be able to contribute more, right? So all in all, your cover letter should include your current titles and the previous two titles along with the brief descriptions what you have been doing there. And second important thing is tools and technology and process that is relevant for the new role that you are going to apply. And third is more important is additional points in terms of your motivations, in terms of the additional attributes, skills or competencies that you have, which you think is appropriate for the new roles. You should cover that. So with this, I think you understand what is the importance of cover letter and what it should include. It is very important. If you put the right cover letter, you will definitely get the invitations for the next applications, next job. So all in all, cover letter should reflect your true personality and closure to the job applications that you are going to apply. With this note, this is Nirpa Chetri. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.